Okay, so okay, for today part, I will try to include all of the common technique in SolidWorks sketching and modeling, okay, in one product, in a one part. Okay, so yeah, I will cover most of the technique, okay, and then it might be not all, but mostly, okay, most of the common technique, and then yeah, if you want me to cover other technique, and then you can just ask, okay, I will try to help you how to use that technique. Okay, all right, so for today part, okay, right, so sure, maybe we can start with a rectangle. Okay, we will start with a rectangle, and then we have a fillet, okay, around at each edge. Okay, and then maybe we can have a slot, okay, at the center. Okay, and then also we have this fillet, and then yeah, maybe this one is a half circle. Okay, half circle. So the part will be like this. This one no lines. Okay, we will make a half circle, and then yeah, we will have holes. Okay, holes on each of the corner, and then okay, here maybe we have okay rectangle with a chamfer. Okay, chamfer on each corner, and then for this one maybe we have circle, and then we got holes. Okay, and then for this one I guess okay, for the um, front view. Okay, this one is top view, this one for the front view. Okay, this one is I mean these things. And then for this one maybe we can make it like this, a cone. Okay, and then we got holes inside. All right, and for this one is just box. Okay, all right, and then what else? Okay, maybe for this one we will have okay, at the right side view you're going to have this kind of shape. Okay, and then we got the array. Okay, this one is the holes. Okay, around this holes. Okay, okay, and then what else? Maybe we have array. Okay, array of maybe we got array here. A lot of buttons. Maybe you want to make a model for your, maybe you choose your parts for remote control. Okay, remote control, and then in remote control we got a lot of button, right? So maybe you can learn how to make that buttons easily. Okay, and then maybe we try to make a maybe like this. Okay, a series of rhomboid shape. Okay, maybe 3, and then here we have, how about if we have this one? Okay, not this one again, no lines here, or maybe we can just have around here, and then we have yeah, maybe this one, and then maybe we have this, I'm not sure. Okay, maybe yeah, I try to make this one. Okay, we'll cover today. Then on the right side view, maybe this one is okay, it's like this. Okay, this one. Okay, this one. Okay, we have this it's not a flat, but actually we got an angle here. Okay, and then yeah, maybe like this. Okay, something like this. Okay, right, so this is our product. Okay, so for SolidWorks, as you can see here, this is our parts today. So the part, this one is the top view, front view, and right side view. Okay, actually most of the technique that you need will be here. Okay, oh yeah, actually I'm here supposed to be okay. So it's a con, right? Con, and then maybe you need to have a like this one. Okay, like a joystick. Okay, we have this kind of shape. Okay, this tube. Okay, then we got a sphere right here. Okay, so you will learn how to make these parts. Okay. Right, so let's start with okay, new, just click new as usual, and then select parts. Alright, so as usual, in order to start your parts modeling, what you need to do is select the proper plane. Okay, proper plane to start a sketch. Okay, and then actually it's depends on the shape of your parts. Okay, as our parts today. Okay, this is our part. We have this base, right? This is the base. So the best plane for this part is top plane. Okay, so we will start to make this part by top plane. Okay, so as usual, click sketch. Okay, and then yeah, the Solidworks will show the top view for your top plane, and then we start with a rectangle. What's this? Okay, so yeah, okay, this is a common thing. Okay, common thing happen if your computer is not we call it not really advanced. Okay, because currently I'm on my laptop, not on my PC. So laptop usually the memory will about maybe 8 gigabyte the RAM. And then yeah, actually that's the reason why that just now the pop-up will appear. Okay, and then the SolidWorks saying that your memory is not enough. Actually, you just ignore that. Okay. So for rectangle, okay, you just make a random rectangle like this. Okay. And then we can start to do the dimension. Okay. Okay. For dimensioning, you can just use smart dimensioning. And then we assign to 200. This one is 100. Okay. 150. Okay. 150. No, no. I guess it's supposed to be yes 120. Right, so this is your rectangle. Okay. Okay, as you can see here in our sketch here, we need to have a fillet. Okay, fillet around shape at each corner. Okay, so in order for you to do that, what you need to do is click this one. Okay, as you can see here, this is still in sketch tab. Okay, we are still in sketch tab. So we just click this one. Okay, this icon. If you click this drop down menu, we got two options. Okay, fillet and chamfer. Chamfer. So fillet refer to round shape, and then for chamfer it refer to edges. Okay, edge maybe I mean 45 degree on the edge. We will have 45 degree. Okay, later I will show you how to use this one. Okay, for now we just stick to fillet. Okay, whenever you click the fillet, okay, you have this okay, this property manager. Okay, and then whenever the blue color appear here, actually this is the thing that you need to do. Okay, need to do. If this thing, this blue is not shown, and then you need to select this one. Okay, so make sure that this is in blue color, and then what you need to do is just select this one. Okay, select each corner, and then you need to assign the dimension. Okay, for now maybe we can stick to 15. Okay, 15. Just click all of the corner. Okay, and then you finish your selection, and then just click this green tick. Okay, so now we have this, right? Okay, now as you can see here, we still have this icon. Okay, this icon. Actually, you need to pay attention. Okay, with this icon, whenever this still here, actually you still in sketching mode. Okay, whenever you change to features tab, some of the option for features is cannot be used. Okay, cannot be used. As you can see here, currently we can use extruded and revolve. Okay, so you need to pay attention with this. Okay, currently we still in sketching mode, so that's the reason why we have this two icon. Okay, for this one is yeah, later I will show you how to use this. Actually, X is more on you need to cancel off all of the process that you did in the sketch. Okay, for this one you mean that you just exit. You exit and you want to remain all of the process that you already did in the sketching mode. Okay, so please pay attention on this one. Okay, currently we are still in sketching mode, so we want to make this slot. Okay, so in order to do this, what you need to do is use line. Okay, line. Okay, just click line and then hover your cursor on this line. Okay, and whenever you hover your cursor on this line, the line will turn orange, right? And then that means, and then at the end of your cursor, your pencil right here, actually it's will show the yellow color. Okay, yellow color that indicate that you already catch one of its constraint. Okay, so just click it, this one, and then that means whenever you click this one with the yellow box appear on end of your pencil cursor, and then it means that you will draw your lines on the lines. Okay, on the line, this orange line. Okay, and then just move your uh, mouse to the top. Okay, and then because of currently we have as you can see here. Okay, we have this half circle, right? So currently we are in line mode. So in order to change, okay, in order to change from line to arch, okay, you need to press A on your keyboard. Just hit A. Okay, okay, just hit A, and then your SolidWorks will automatically change to a curve. Okay, let's see, it's an arch. You can make an arch. Okay, okay. Whenever you hit A again, and then it will back to lines. Okay, so yeah, just hit A, and then you need to play around. Okay, with the direction of your arch. Okay, so uh, because of we want to make a half circle. Okay, so just roughly make it like this. Okay, and then for this one, we just click to this line. Okay, make sure that the line turn to orange color. Okay, and then we finish your you need to finish this line with escape. Okay, just press escape and then you already finish your lines. Okay, okay, now we have these lines, and then we have this line and half circle and lines. Okay, as shown here, actually this one we're supposed to be not have line. Okay, we need to have a empty space right here. So we need to, in the SolidWorks, you need to delete this one. Okay, delete this line. Okay, in order to do that, you can use trim. Okay, so you can see here in your sketch, trim. Okay, trim means you need to you want to remove the unnecessary lines in your sketch. Okay, so just click trim, and then whenever you click trim, you will have several options. Okay, how you want to use the trim. Okay, this one is power trim. Usually you will just stick to power trim. Okay, power trim means you just need to drag or maybe hold your mouse to any lines that you want. Okay, but usually I will not use this one. I will stick to trim to close. Okay, because of this option actually is quite I can say it's easy. Okay, easy to understand because of it will erase any lines that I want. Okay, any lines. Okay, so as you can see here, whenever I hover my mouse around these lines, and then the line will turn to gray. Okay, gray color. That means this line will be removed. Okay, same to this one. Okay, any lines will turn to other color. This one is orange. Okay. Usually orange, not gray. Okay, it's supposed to be orange color. Yeah. Okay, just click. Then you will remove the lines. Okay. So this is how you use trim operation, okay, in your sketch. Okay, if you finish your trim, and then just click this green tick. Okay. Alright. Now, okay. This slot, this slot actually need to be at the center of this rectangle, right? So there are several ways to do that. Okay. One of them is just you select the dimension. Okay. Then first, of course, we need to assign this dimension. Okay. The dimension for this one maybe just change to 40. Okay, as you can see, whenever we change dimension, and then this one will, this space will automatically change to dimension that you put. Okay, all right. So, of course, if you put the dimension for this from this point to this point, and then you can assign the dimension. Okay, for this part. However, in SolidWorks, there are other method, okay, to do that. Okay, for now we just click this green, click, and then what you need to do is select this one, this line, okay, and then hold control, okay, hold control and select this one. Okay, whenever you select these two lines, a pop-up will appear, okay, this box will appear, so you can just select any of the option that you want. This one, what we call as the sketch, what is the term? It's also like constraint. Other software call it as constraint, but this one is I'm not sure. I cannot remember the term in SolidWorks. However, yeah, whenever you click any of this icon, it will be function as the part. Okay, as it's supposed to be. Okay, let me repeat. Click this one and then this one. Pop-up will appear, and then for this part, we'll just click make equal. Okay, make equal. Whenever you click make equal, SolidWorks will automatically change, okay, this position to center because of you already assign this line and this line to be equal. That means equal in terms of the dimension, okay, the dimension. So you don't need to assign the dimension from this point to this point, and maybe you need to calculate how much it's supposed to be. Just now we assign 200, and then you got 40 here, and then you need to divide by 2, okay. It's supposed to be maybe 80, okay, from this point to this point to 80. So you don't need to maybe calculate and put dimension for this part. You just assign this line and this line to be equal, okay, and then SolidWorks automatically will do the works for you. All right, then you finish, just click this, okay, green, and then yeah, we need to assign this dimension. Okay, let's put dimension here. You can stick to 30. Right. Yeah, okay, 30 is okay. Yes, click. Right. Okay, now yes, in our sketch here we have here we need to make another fillet, right? So just click fillet. Okay, again you just click fillet. Right. Fillet here, this is fillet. Just click fillet, and then for the fillet parameter, maybe for this time we change to 10. Then select this corner. And yeah, actually for this one, this pop-up actually is usually will appear whenever mana should the constraint already assigned. Just now we assign this line and this line to be equal, right? So because of I click this one, the SolidWorks will show that this one, the equal lines that we assigned just now will be changed. Okay, so just click yes. Okay, and then click this one. Okay, just click yes. Okay, and then click this. Okay, now we have this sketch, right? It's currently we are still in sketching mode. Okay, see, we are still in sketching mode. So let's assign to perpendicular, and then Alright, now okay, now we're going to extrude this one. Okay, we're going to extrude this sketch. Okay, change to features tab, and then as usual, extrude. Okay, whenever you click extrude, the view in your SolidWorks will be changed, and because it want to show you how your extrusion will be made. Okay, so for this time, we just assign it to maybe 15. Okay. Okay. So 15, I guess, yeah, it's okay. And then just hit this green tick button. Okay. So this is our part. Right. Okay. So part. Alright. Now, yeah, we have this in our sketch here. We have holes. Okay, holes right here. Holes. And then in order for you to do that, okay, there are several ways. Okay, to do these holes. One of the technique is you just sketch. Okay, just sketch a circle on this part, okay, on this surface. Just sketch a circle and then we do extrude cut. Okay, actually, I already demonstrate that operation on previous class. Okay, so but for today, I want to show you different technique. Okay, to do holes. Okay, to do holes. Okay, now we're going to use this hole wizard. Hole wizard. Okay, after extrude cut, we have hole wizard. Just click the hole wizard. Okay. Alright. Whenever you click this whole wizard, several hole type will appear. Okay, for this one is what we call as counter bore. The counter bore, we already discussed about this one, right? Counter bore, we have two different holes. Okay, one hole is maybe got several thickness. Okay, maybe a bigger hole, and then we got smaller holes. Okay, inside of this hole, this big hole. Okay, that we call as a counter bore. Then this one is counter sink. Okay, the difference is the upper part is in a conical shape, right? Okay, this one is just a cylindrical, but this one is conical shape. And then for this one is just hole, normal hole. Okay, normal hole. And then the other part is, yeah, we got another tree technique, but usually we will just use this tree. Okay. Right. So, okay, for now we just stick to counter ball. Okay, counter ball. And then what you need to do is switch to position tab. Okay, here we got two different tab, type and position, right? So just change to position. Okay. So here, change your view to perpendicular. I mean, top view. Sorry, put it on top view. Okay. And then just click anywhere here, okay, anywhere here, and then you can see the counter ball will follow your mouse, okay, your mouse cursor. Okay, so now in order to make a holes, okay, on this edge, okay, what you need to do is hover your mouse around this corner, okay, this corner, and then the center point for this corner will appear. Okay, so you just click the center line. Okay, one, and then same goes to this part. Just hover your mouse around this corner, and then the center point will appear, and then you click center point, and then you repeat the same process. Okay, all right. So we change back to type. Okay, as you can see here, this is how the counter ball will do. Okay, in your parts. Okay, as you can see here, we got standard and type. Okay, after the whole type, you can change. Okay, this standard and type. Actually, this one is refer to the fitting that you will use in your part. Okay, for example, maybe you use screw or maybe bolt. Okay, bolt or screw or maybe any other fitting types. Okay, and then you need to design this hole according to your fitting. Okay, all right. So as you know, for fitting we have several standard and types. Okay, so here SolidWorks already maybe list it for you. Okay, here for standard we got some standard. This one is for British standard, BSI, DIN, German, GB, I'm not sure, maybe I'm not sure, GB, Great Britain maybe. Okay. We got several standard here, right? ISO, GIS, usually for now we just stick to ISO, okay, internal standard. And then type, for actually we have, as you can see here, we got several type. We got bolt, screw, okay, socket, and then head cross, okay. For now, maybe just stick to bolt, okay. It's a most common fitting, right? And then the size, you can assign the size, okay. M5, M6. I'm not sure it's supposed to be got M4, okay. Actually, the smallest size here is M5, okay. M5 means the diameter, okay, for your thread is 5 mm, okay. The outer diameter for your thread is 5 mm. That we call as M5. Okay, and for this one, M6, your bolt outer diameter, thread outer diameter is 6 mm. Okay, so maybe you can just play around, okay, with this size. Okay, it will change according to your selection. Okay, so for now, maybe we can just stick to M6. Okay, and then yeah, just click this green tick button. Okay, in order to complete the holes. Okay. Right, now the Solidworks do the counter bore for you. Right, it's nice, right? So up to now, any question, guys? Question? No?
I think that's my question.
Yeah, okay, nice. Okay, it's easy, right? I hope that you can follow my step. Okay, please follow my step, because of this is Solidworks class. That means you cannot just watch, because you cannot watch and learn. No, this topic or this subject is not cannot be learned just by watching. Okay, you need to practice, because this is what about not about knowledge. Okay, this is about skill. Okay, you need to practice this one. All right. Okay, now in our sketch here, as you can see here, of course we got several part up here, but I want to do this part first, right? This part. Okay, in order to do that, you can pick this surface, okay? Because of this part actually is around here, right? Below this part, okay? So in order to do that, you just click this surface and then click sketch, okay? Click sketch and then change your view to perpendicular to that surface, okay? Alright, now we can just click lines and then make sure that you start your lines on here, okay? And anywhere here, okay? And then same as before, we have half circle, okay? Half circle. Before this, I said that you can press A, okay, in order to change from lines to curve, right? Just press A. Actually, they are the technique, okay? The technique is you move your mouse cursor at the end of this line, okay? At the end of this line until the circle here change to orange color, okay, and then it will automatically change without pressing A. Okay, without pressing A, you can do this. Okay, you can just hover your mouse around the end of that lines, and then Solidworks will automatically change the lines into arch. Okay, and then just hover your mouse around here. Make sure you have this 180 lines, okay, horizontal lines from this line. Okay, it will be like this. Okay, click and then click this one. Right, and then you need to close this line. Okay, you need to close this one. Close it. Okay, and then just hit green button. Okay. So this is your the curve, okay, the line that we draw just now. Okay, now we assign dimension for this part. Okay, so this one is just make it like this 30. So maybe we assign 35 or 35. No, yes, maybe 40. No. 45. Okay. Yeah, it's nice, right? 45. And then smart dimension for this part. Okay, for this one we assign to 40. Okay. Okay, so now currently uh, we have these lines, this shape. Actually, just randomly draw on this line, right? And then we don't know the position of these lines, either it's already center of this surface or not, right? So in order to make sure that you make this center, so we just assign the dimension. Okay, before this we assign equal lines, right? But however, currently we don't have any lines that connected to this one. No lines, right? Here, I mean, for this sketch, no lines. So you need to assign dimension, okay, from this point to this point. And then we got 23. Okay, just accept. Okay, and then again make the same dimension. Okay, for this one. Okay. Alright. So now we have this 123 and then this 121. Okay, and then you can change. Okay, this dimension maybe how much is supposed to be? It's supposed to be 45, right? 45 divided by 2. That means 22.5, right? 22.5, and then yeah. Whenever you change this one 22.5, this one will be automatically change to 22.5 also, okay? Because of you already assigned the dimension between this line to this line, okay? This distance between this line you already assigned to 45. So whenever you change the dimension for this part, this dimension also will be automatically changed, okay? This is some sort like the relation, okay? The sketching relation in Solidworks, okay? Alright, now we have this, and then you just click this one. Alright, now we change to features tab, okay, because we want to extrude this one, okay? We want to extrude, and just extrude this part, okay? And then uh, alright, so whenever that happen, you just click this the surface, okay? Because of maybe this happen when the lines, okay, not properly connected. Yeah, because of we have this line, okay. This is the common problem in sketching, okay, when because of we didn't realize, okay, what happened during the sketching, okay. So for now, I just delete. We need to remove this one, okay. We remove this one. We just maybe how about delete? No delete. Yeah, just delete that one, okay. Delete that lines, okay. And then just reselect this sketch 4 and then extrude. Okay. Whenever your sketch is correct, and then the SolidWorks will show how it's supposed to be. Okay. Because of this one, just now we click extrude. Okay, and then the sketch is completely in good condition without any remaining lines. Like just now we have lines, right? And then the SolidWorks cannot do the operation. And then yeah, you need to recheck your sketch, right? Okay, now this is the extrusion. We call it suggested by the SolidWorks on this direction. However, we don't want to this direction, right? So in order to change the direction, of course, you can click these lines and then drag. Okay, drag it to this direction. Actually, it's not a recommended practice. Okay, in order for you to change the direction, you just click this icon. Okay, just click this icon, reverse direction. Okay, whenever you click this one, SolidWorks will change the direction for the extrusion process. Okay. And then for this one, maybe we can just assign to 10 mm. Okay, 10 mm. Okay, and then yeah, just click green tick. Right, so now we have this one, this part, right? Okay, in our sketch, we have these features, okay, on both of the sides. Okay? This side, okay, left and right, right? Left and right. We have this the same things, okay, the same features, the same part, okay. So maybe you can just repeat the same process, okay. Maybe you need to sketch, okay, here. However, it's not really necessary for you to do the modeling from scratch again. Actually, you can just duplicate this one by using mirror operation, okay. Make sure you select this boss, the operation that you did just now, okay, this boss extrude. Okay, and then you select this mirror, okay, mirror. Okay, we got some option here, but you just click mirror. Okay, okay. For mirror, mirror means you want to make the parts, okay, on opposite direction. I mean, you need to copy that one on opposite direction. Okay, just the term mirror, okay, mirror. When you see a mirror and then you can see your face, right? So it's the same here. Whenever you put a mirror, okay, at any position for this part, and then it also will appear the same figure, right, for this part. Okay, so you need to select the position of the mirror. Okay, here we got the mirror face plane. This is the where the mirror you want to place. Okay, and then for this one, because of we know that just now we start this sketch, okay, at the center, okay, at the origin of the plane, okay, the plane, the top plane, and then actually because of we know that we want to make it symmetry, okay, symmetrical. This one need to be symmetry right here. So just click this one, right plane, okay. Yeah, right plane. Because of this plane, as you know, the plane actually is located at the origin point of your SolidWorks drawing, your SolidWorks, right? And then yeah, just click this right plane, okay. Whenever you click this right plane, SolidWorks will show you how it will mirror your parts. Okay, so yeah, it's good, right? It's good. And then you just click green. Okay, green tick here. Now you can have the same, exactly the same parts. Okay, for this part, right? Okay. So this is how you use mirror. Okay, actually the selection is quite important. The selection of the mirror position is quite important because of if you um, actually it can be anything. It's not necessary to be a plane. Okay, later on maybe next class I will show you how to use a different uh, position for the mirror. Okay. For now, I just show you this simple step. Okay, how to use mirror. Just select the plane. Okay, how to select is just now. I choose it right here. Okay, okay, it's okay. Now we have these holes, right? These holes. We have these holes. Okay, this hole. Okay, so in order to do that, just click this one and sketch, and then change your view to perpendicular. Okay, perpendicular. So yeah, just click circle. Okay, and then move your cursor on this half circle. Okay, until the center appear. Okay, the center appear, and then you just click the center, and
Excuse
then
me,
move
doctor.
the circle. Yes.
Your second sketching screen, doctor,
Yes.
enlarged too much.
Yes. Sorry.
Okay, thanks.
Right. Right. Nice. Okay. Thank you. Right. So just now I just make a circle, okay, by using the center of this half circle, okay. The center by is at this circle. Right. So this one circle, and then we need to make another circle, right? Okay. So just select this one and then make a small circle, okay, around here. Okay, and then just make this one, okay, and then just click OK. All right. Okay, now we can assign, okay, the dimension. Okay, for this circle is maybe change to 20. And then for this one is 5. Okay, that's 5. Right. Okay. Oh yeah, I think this one, the center to center distance. Okay. Small dimension. Okay, center distance maybe assigned to 15. Then hit OK. Okay. It will change, okay, the position for this circle. Okay. Then just hit green tick. Okay, now as you can see here, in my sketch here, I have this circle actually is around the big circle, right? So maybe one of the technique that you can use is just make manually draw this circle, okay, this small circle around this big circle. However, in SolidWorks, we got operation we call it as pattern, okay, pattern. Pattern, or maybe some software call it as array, okay, array. We AutoCAD use term array, okay. For this one, just click this pattern, okay. Here on your sketch tab, we have this linear sketch pattern, right? But however, linear means the this part you want to make on this X and Y direction, okay, X and Y direction. So that's why we call it as a linear. So you can see the icon also show that it will be appear like this. However, for this one, we want to make it in radial, okay, radial pattern. So just circular pattern, okay, just just click this one, okay, circular pattern. Alright. So now, the SolidWorks will automatically maybe suggest how you want to make this this pattern, okay, for these holes, okay. Okay, the first thing here is point 1 here, which is the suggested center, okay, center of the radial array. However, you can change this one to here, okay. Make sure that this one is still in blue color, and then just click this one. Okay, this one just click. Okay, just click the center. Okay, the center, and then it will be changed. Okay, the center of the array will change it. We change to this point. Okay, and then the number of the circle. Okay, you can change it here. Maybe you want to make it 5 or maybe 6. Okay, depend on your specification. Okay, on your product. Okay, currently we just stick to 6. Okay, 6 numbers of holes. Okay, and then here we stick to equal spacing. Okay, whenever you tick this box, and then the spacing between the holes will be fixed to equal. Okay, equally spaced. Okay, from this center to the center, this center to center will be equal. Okay, so yeah, make sure that you click this one, then just click the green tick button. Okay, all right, now we have this lines.
Uh,
Okay, circle.
Doctor,
Yes.
can you repeat the process where that you make the radius from bigger to the smaller one?
Oh yeah, yeah. Let me repeat. Okay, right now okay, this part. Okay, just click this pattern. Okay, this drop down menu, and then select circular pattern. Okay, so we have this one, point 1. Okay, point 1, actually this represent the center of the radial array. Okay, and then you just click this one. Make sure you click this one. Okay, and then just click this point. Okay, and then automatically SolidWorks will change the center. Right, you got that?
Yeah, got it. Thanks, Doctor.
Right, right, nice. And then this one we change to 6, or maybe want to make it 8. Yeah, it's not nice. 6 is better, right? Okay. Try to make it not very complex. Then yeah, just to 6, and then just hit green tick right there. Okay, now we want to make holes. Okay, for this part, part is whole from holes. Okay, so as usual, in order to make holes, we can just simply use extruded cut. Okay, extruded cut. Okay, make sure you select this sketch 5 and then select extruded cut. Okay, so whenever you select extruded cut, this parameter will change to how you want to make the extrusion. Okay, so here we have several option. Okay, blind, and then yeah, this blind. This option actually is depend on this dimension. Okay, whenever you change the dimension, and then the Solidworks will change we call it this the depths of your holes. Okay, however for this one we want to make it true. Okay, it's a need to be true hole, and then uh, at the same time we want to make these holes also appear on this side, right? So in order to do that, you can change this one. Okay, to true all. Okay, true all, and then whenever you select true all, Solidworks will cut all of the the solid part. Okay, regardless of the maybe the space, the position. Okay, the position. Actually, if you have the other maybe other parts right here or right here, okay, along this way or along this direction, you will cut through all everything. Okay, so this is what through all means. Okay, so we have several other option here. Maybe you can select up to next. Okay, up to next means only up to next. This means from this surface to this surface. Okay, to this surface, only for up to this surface. This is what we call as up to next. Okay, up to next surface. That means up to next surface. Okay, from this surface to this surface. However, in our case right now, we want to make these holes also for this part, and then just change to all. Okay, and then click the green tick right there, and then yeah, Solidworks will do the holes for you, right? So yeah, it's nicely done, right? Okay, so yeah, maybe we can start to save. Okay, save the part. Maybe what we call it, example. And, okay, now okay, we will start the what we need to do. Okay, on top of this part. Okay, yeah, before that, I think we can, I will show you how to use fillet. Okay, fillet. Just now, I show you how to use fillet in sketching mode. Okay, in sketching mode, just now, in sketching mode, I pick this option, right? Sketch, sketching fillet and sketching chamfer. Okay. However, for this part, I will change to, I will use fillet in 3D model. Okay, in the 3D model. It's not for sketch, but this one for 3D model. For the solid model that we already draw here, and then we can assign fillet. Okay, so just click this fillet. Okay, and then maybe change to 1 mm. Okay, so there are several ways, okay, in order to select where how you want to make the fillet. Okay, for example, maybe you want to make this edge. Okay, only at the edge. Okay, at the edge. Okay, whenever you click this edge, a pop-up will appear. Okay, will appear on to suggest, okay, your selection, how you want to do the fillet. Okay, click this one, and then it will depends. Okay, then you need to select which line it's supposed to be. Okay, for now I will select this. Okay, this one, this option, and then Solidworks will show the selection in blue color. Okay, in blue color. I'm not sure which version. Okay, for this version it's not show the, maybe make it 3. Okay, okay, it's not sure how the fillet operation will be preview. Okay, for you. Okay, you just show the selection of age. Okay, maybe on the version, latest version on 2009 or maybe 2016, they already have the maybe have the, what you call it, preview of how the fillet will be looks like. Okay, so currently for this version it's not shown. Okay, so you need to maybe try. Okay, is the fillet size is good or not? Okay, just click green tick. Okay, let's say 3 mm. Okay, just now I assigned 3 mm. So yeah, maybe yeah, it's acceptable, right? The fillet operation for this edge. Okay, yeah, yeah, it's good. Okay, now let's start. Let's make another fillet. Okay, for this edge. Okay, just select fillet. Okay, and then uh, select this part. Okay, this part, and then okay, select the select option, and then yeah, make sure that the selected edge is correct. Okay, according to your design. Okay, or your parts. Okay, you can see the selected edge will turns to blue color. Okay, blue color. So it's if it's a correct selection, and then just hit OK. Okay, and then it will change the design for you. Okay, change the fillet. Okay, and then same goes to this one. Okay, actually need to select fillet. This one. Okay, maybe okay. First of all, we try to make like this. Okay, as you can see here, this one is turned to blue color. Okay, so I think it's a good selection. And then same goes to this one. Actually, you can select multiple edge. Okay, you can select this one, and then yeah, select this. Okay, make sure that the selected edge is the correct one. Okay, and then for this one, maybe I can change to just 1.5. Okay, okay, see, it will be nicely done. Okay, for you. Okay, without require for you to select all of the edges. Okay. Alright, now let's start. Let's make chamfer. Okay, just now I show you how to make fillet in our 3D model. Okay, so now chamfer. Okay, in order to make a chamfer in 3D model, you just click this drop down menu here under this fillet. Okay, then chamfer. Select chamfer, and then first change this one to maybe just 1.5, or maybe just 1. Okay, 1. Okay, for this part, okay, okay, I want to make chamfer on this edge and on this edge. Okay, so just now I select edge. Okay, this edge. Okay, however, you can, if you want to make on both of this side, so actually you can just click this surface. Okay, select this surface. So as you can see here, chamfer for we call it this SolidWorks will assign, okay, on the entire surface. Okay, entire surface. So if you click this okay, and then both of this side will happen to be the chamfer. Okay, it will turn to chamfer. Okay, let me repeat for you. This side you just select chamfer and select the surface. Okay, just select surface and then hit OK. Okay, and then actually will make the chamfer. Instead of you select the edge, actually you can select the surface. Okay, so yeah, I will make the same thing for the rest of these holes. Okay, so just select chamfer, and then for this time let's make it 0.5, and then select this surface. Okay, you select surface, this surface, this surface. Make sure that you select the proper surface. Okay. Okay, whenever you maybe you mistakenly select other surface. Okay, maybe you select this surface. Okay, but you don't want this surface to be chamfer. Okay, you mistakenly select. Actually, you can delete. Okay, this one you go to this part, this parameter here, and then just delete. Right click and delete. Okay, and then it will delete the selection. Right. So make sure you select the proper surface. Okay. Right now we have select all 12. Okay, 12 face, and then just hit green tick right here. Okay, now it's already make the chamfer. So yeah, that's it. Right, for now, any question? No, no question.
When to know when to use the chamfer and so on, doctor?
Huh?
Like when do we need to know when to use the chamfer and fillet around the circles?
Actually, we have also, of course, we have rules. Okay, when to use it. That we work. Usually, we'll use for maybe fitting. For maybe fitting, maybe you want to put your bolt. Okay, because of for this one. Yes, it's supposed to be actually the design. Maybe I'm not sure. Yeah, maybe this is a random design. Okay, actually, maybe we can. You need to add shaft. Okay, shaft from this holes through this hole. Okay, a shaft, and then in order to make sure that the fitting is will be easily fit. Okay, maybe you want to put the cylinder. I mean the shaft inside this hole. So if you don't have this chamfer, okay, it will be very difficult, okay, very difficult for you to put that shaft inside these holes. So usually any parts that have shaft, okay, will need chamfer, okay, around these holes, okay, need to be a chamfer, okay. That's where usually chamfer, okay, need to be in your design. However, for fillet, actually fillet is supposed to be just in order to avoid sharp edges. Okay, sharp edges. This is related to the safety. Okay, safety for your parts. Maybe if this one is a metal, is a steel, and then if you don't have this fillet or maybe uh, chamfer, it will be very sharp, and then it will maybe call it hurt you, okay, because of yeah sharp edges. So it's required, okay, for any parts need to be at the edge need to be turned to call it this fillet or chamfer. Okay, usually just fillet. Okay, just fillet. Right. So I'm sure that most of your products, okay, most of your product will have either chamfer or fillet, okay, because of it need to what you call it avoid sharp edges, okay. You need to check your selected part, okay. For example, okay, I have this we call it this water bottle. Okay, this part, okay, you can see this the edges is a fillet, right? It's a round shape, right? Okay, so if your part is at this shape, then you need to assign fillet on it this edge, okay, on its edge. So as you can see here, also we have a round fillet here, and then this round here and this round is at different size, right? See, this one is bigger than this one. So actually you need to measure, okay, your parts, okay, what kind of fillet they use. Okay, so that's the reason why I need you to select maybe the product in the market. Okay, that already in the market, not designed by you. So you need to choose a product, and then you need to do the modeling on that part, okay, based on the part you select. All right. All right. So yeah, any other question?
Doctor, when do
Yes.
you when do you know that you have to use chamber or fillet?
Oh, either chamfer or fillet. Yeah, generally we will learn that maybe during your what you call it third year, maybe during component design. Okay, during the component design, you will we will get through in depth. Okay, on the how to determine either fillet or chamfer. Okay, as I said just now, chamfer usually will be useful for maybe for this round. Okay, for this round shape, and then you want to put the shaft inside here. And then usually we will use chamfer, not fillet, okay? Not fillet. Usually we will use chamfer. Even
Alright.
fillet, yeah. This will depend on the parts, okay? How you fit the part, right? You will learn that, okay, during your third year in component design, okay? Oh yeah, actually I'm not sure. Yeah. Right, now let's proceed with the things on top of the surface. Okay, we will start with this. Okay, this part, right? Then just click this surface and then click sketch. Change your view to perpendicular, right? Okay, now uh, make a rectangular. Okay, just make it randomly. Okay, let's hit OK. Then now you need to assign dimension. Okay, dimension. So you need to assign from this point to this point. Okay, so maybe this one, let's say just 40. Then the dimension for this part be just 50. And then this one is 30. So yeah. And then okay, now I want to make chamfer, okay, on this edge, okay, on this edge. So just make sure that you are still in sketching, okay, do not exit this one in sketching. You can make sure that you can ensure that by check this one, okay, you have, whenever you have this icon, okay, these two icon, that means you still in sketching mode. Even this one still need to be like this, okay. Please do not click this edit sketch, okay. Actually, uh, you will away from the sketching mode, okay. Right now, select this one, okay. Select this drop down menu on the fillet and select chamfer. Assign chamfer dimension to maybe 2 or maybe. Then select this one. Right. Right. In chamfer, usually it is not like fillet, okay. For fillet, whenever you click a point and then you can select another point, okay, right way, okay. So for chamfer, actually you need to make it one by one, okay. Select chamfer and then 2.5, okay. Maybe you can hold what you call it, no, it cannot be hold. Even I try to hold control, okay. It cannot be uh, up to what you call it, multiple selection. Okay, so you need to make it one by one. Okay, so just make it one by one. Okay. Actually, maybe in latest version you can select multiple selection. Okay, for chamfer in sketch. Okay, in sketch. So yeah, you already finished that. Okay, and then now we can extrude. Okay, we can extrude this part. So change to feature step and as usual select extrude. Okay, so it's assigned to 5 mm. Okay, just click OK. Okay, this is the our box here, and then we can start to chamfer on its edge. Okay. Okay, it's different. Okay, whenever you select chamfer for solid, okay, for solid, it's in feature tab. You can make multiple selection. Okay, and then it also will show you the preview of how the uh, chamfer will looks like. Right. Oh, so as you can see here, I mistakenly select. Okay, just delete. Okay, just delete that selection, and then make sure you select the proper edge. Okay. Then just click OK. Right, so this is our chamfer. Okay, just now I select one by one, right? One by one. Actually, it's supposed to be not like that because of we know that the chamfer is supposed to be on this entire surface. So actually, just simply can select chamfer and then select the surface. Okay, select the surface and then just hit OK, and then it will be the chamfer will be made on entire edge. Okay, all of around the edge. See, right? So maybe for this part, I will make a fillet. Okay, fillet. So it's 1.5. Select this one. Okay. Okay, as you can see here, whenever just now I select that option, okay, and then it will make the fillet, okay, the selected lines is on around this box and then also on this contour bore, okay, the surface of this contour bore. So if you are maybe you're okay with that selection, and then you just hit OK. If not, you need to make uh, the selection again. Okay, so for now, I guess yeah, it's okay. We have fillet on the edge of this contour bore, right? Alright, so yeah, and then yeah, don't forget to save. Okay, because whenever something happen, you have already saved your file. Okay. Okay, actually, sometime Solidworks will crash. Okay, will have crash whenever maybe your computer doesn't have proper memory or enough memory, or maybe the processor is on its peaks, and then sometimes server will crash, and then that's the reason why you need to save. Okay, you need to save your progress. Alright, now let's make this button. Okay, this button, we got several buttons on top of this part. Okay, just select sketch and then change your view to perpendicular to that surface. Okay, then make this rectangle. Nope. Alright, so just click OK, and then we assign the dimension. Okay, dimension to this here. Okay, it's okay. So maybe currently it's at 11. And from this point to this edge, we just yeah, 14 is okay. Alright, now we have this one, this surface, this rectangle, right? So we want to make an array. Okay, we want to multiply this one. Okay, on a pattern. So then make sure you select this sketch. Okay, and then select this linear pattern. Okay, whenever you select this linear pattern. Okay, so it's not happening. It's okay. Yeah, I will skip that. Okay. Okay. First I will do what you call it, holes. Okay, I will make holes here because of it's maybe a button. Okay, so in your part maybe we got holes, and then for this part, and then just make extrude cut. Okay, and then the distance maybe just 2 mm. And just hit OK. Right, so we have this, right, and then we want to make this multiple. Okay, so in order to do that, you can just in features tab, and then you select linear pattern. Okay. Okay, maybe we need to assign the direction. Okay, direction and then for this second direction is to here. Oh. Okay, this direction. Okay, make sure you select this box and then this direction. Okay, so this is how it will looks like, the pattern, and then maybe you change this to 3 and then change the spacing. The space maybe just 15, or maybe just 12.5. And then for this direction, as you can see here, actually just now I select, okay, this edge, the first edge actually on this direction, this edge, okay, and then for this edge, this direction, I select this edge, okay, because of it will the array will make according to the direction that you assign, okay, on this part. Okay, for example, I select edge. Okay, as you can see here, this edge number 2 here, actually I select this one, right? And then because of this edge, actually is the direction is on this way, and then that's the reason why the array made like this. Okay, on this direction. And then on this H1 here, actually I just select this edge. Just now I select this edge, and then because of this edge, is the direction is from here to here, and then the pattern will make at this direction. Okay, so you need to make sure that you select a proper lines, okay, in order to determine the direction, okay, for your pattern. This one maybe just 5. No, okay, no, 7. Right, so yeah, it's nice, right? Then it's acceptable, and then just click OK. Alright, so yeah, now we have a series of the rectangle, right? Okay, so yeah, okay, you can play around, okay, with this pattern. Okay, make sure that the selection of the operation is correct. Okay, whenever you have features, okay, just now I have extruded cut, okay, from this rectangle I made with extruded cut. Okay, because of I want to repeat that extruded cut, okay, into this array, so I choose this operation, okay, linear pattern on the features tab, okay, because of in sketch also we have this linear pattern also, okay. However, for sketch is just for sketch, okay. So if you are in sketching mode, so maybe you can use this operation, okay, this option to make the pattern, okay. However, if you are in, you already make a features, just like what I did just now, okay, I choose this, okay, this operation. So please make sure that you select the proper operation, okay. Alright, now let's move to this part, okay. This one, as you can see here, the front view is a conical shape, okay. It's in conical shape, and then yeah, let's make it. Okay. Right, so maybe you can just start sketch, and then the view can be perpendicular. Okay. So let's make a lines, okay. Okay, this here. This is the important things, okay, because of as you can see here, this one, the position for these features actually is maybe at the center, okay, of this part. And then of course just now I made this rectangle, okay. I just make a sketch, okay, rectangle sketch, and then I assign the dimension, okay, dimension from the center of the rectangle to this edge, right? And the same goes to this edge. Okay, this is one of the uh, maybe technique for you to make the parts, okay. However, there are this I will show you other technique, okay, how to make that, okay. Okay, I consider this one is quite an important, okay, important technique, because of sometimes you cannot use just assign the dimension, okay. So you need to create a new plane. Okay, you need to create a new plane. Okay, in order to do that, okay, maybe you can just select this line. Okay, line. We have this drop down menu. Okay, in line. So here we got center line. Okay, center line. Just click center line. Okay, the difference between center line and line is for center line, actually it will be automatically opt to construction. Okay, construction. That means uh, if you have that line, okay, for example, I have the lines right here, okay, from here to here. Okay, I have this line. Okay, this line, if I extrude, maybe I made another line right here. Okay, and then maybe I make a square maybe around here, and then whenever I extrude, actually this line will not extrude. Okay, it's not really extruded because of this. I assign it as there's a center line, and this one is actually is a for construction. For construction only, it cannot be made as an object. Okay, it's just for construction. So whenever you extrude or you do any features operation, maybe revolve or something like that, these lines that you assign for construction uh, will not appear to be part of the operation. Okay, it's just for construction. Okay, so let me. Right. So as you can see here, okay, my line here actually is a little bit slanting, right? It's a bit slanting. It's not perfectly horizontal. So actually, you can make it horizontal, okay, by just select this one, select this line, and then make it horizontal, okay, make it horizontal. So it will change to horizontal. Okay, same goes to this one, but usually this one already vertical. As you can see here, this green icon is means it's already in vertical position. Okay, right. So yeah, this is one of the procedure. Right. Right now, just now, this sketch to the sketch, this sketch. Okay. Okay. Now I will delete this. I will trim this one. Okay, because I want to use this intersection point. So just trim. And then yeah, cut this one and this one, okay? And so this one. Okay. Okay, this is one of the technique, okay? This is 3D sketch. I'm sure that I already show you how to use this one, okay? This 3D sketch on previous class. Okay, the reason why is currently I want to make a plane, okay? I want to make a plane it is supposed to be the same with right plane, okay, this direction. As you can see here, this one is a right plane, okay, it's a right plane, but I want to have this plane to adhere, okay, at this location. Actually this plane, right plane, actually is on at the center, okay, at the origin of our sketch, okay, our model. Okay, however, I want to make another plane, okay. In order to do that, you need to select this 3D sketch, okay, and then make a line from this position. Okay, and then make sure that whenever you use 3D sketch, okay, okay, you need to follow the this arrow will appear, okay. So this arrow indicate the direction of the perpendicular or maybe we call it vertical or horizontal lines, okay, or the direction, okay. So I will assign my lines according to this arrow, okay, along this arrow, then make it like this. And then I want to make it right here, okay, over here. However, currently we only have this two direction, okay. Only can make the line, okay, this way, okay. Okay, so in order to change that, okay, you need to press tab E, okay, tab E. Okay, whenever you change tab E, hit tab E, okay, this direction, this arrow will change, okay, it will change, see, change. So because of I want to make it on this way, okay, so yeah, actually I don't like it to be large. Okay, so yeah, actually currently the angle, the arrow already a correct position, so just make this way, right? So just hit escape, okay, select, okay. Right now I want to make a plane, okay, on this type, on this lines, okay. So what I need to do is, okay, as you can see here, the sketch is still activated, okay. As you can see here, this is still activated. So just make sure that you exit it, okay. Exit it, and then your features tab will appear again, okay. Whenever you switch to features tab, and then some of the part is cannot be clicked, and then that's mean you still in sketching mode, okay, sketching mode. So you need to uh, exit that sketching mode first, and then this will appear, okay. Alright, now in order to make this plane right here, actually you can use this technique, okay. Reference geometry, select plane, okay, and then wait until this option appear, okay. First reference, click these lines, and second reference, click this line, okay. So this is how we make a new plane, okay, new plane. See, the plane will be assigned according to the line that I made just now. And then we just click this, okay. And then actually you can make this bigger, okay. If you want to make it bigger, just make it bigger. Then for this part and this part, actually you can just hide, okay. Yeah, see, as you can see here, okay, I have this construction lines, and then I have these lines, okay. But I don't want to use it anymore. Actually, you can just select this one and this one, okay. This line, the line you need to remember, okay. Which line, this, okay, this line. Then just click hide, okay, hide, and then it will disappear. Alright. So now we have this plane, okay. Alright, so yeah, actually also you can simply unhide it, okay. Sure, then it will appear again, okay. It depends. If you still want to use it, and then you just keep it like there, right there, and then if you want to hide it, you don't want to use it anymore, just hide it, okay. Okay, now what I need to do is I will sketch on top of this plane, okay, on this plane, and then normal 2, so I can see right here, and then start with a line, okay, a line. Okay. Okay, make a line. Get around like this shape, okay, and this shape, this conical shape. Okay, and then hit this one, okay. Now I hit this two, right. So now I made this sketch on top of this plane, okay, the plane that I made just now, okay. So now I want to use revolve, okay, because as you can see here, in my sketch right here, This one is supposed to be we call it a conical shape, right? So I will use revolve. Okay, revolve. Yes, select sketch and then features, and then select revolve. Okay, revolve base, boss base. Okay, revolve boss base, and then what you need to do is select the axis. Okay, axis of rotation. Okay, make sure you click this one and then select the axis that you want to use. Okay, so this one need to be shown. Okay. Where is it? Okay, cannot be. Let's hide it again. Okay, back to sketch. Okay, sorry. We need to back to sketch and then add a line. Okay, add a line. For this one, maybe change to center line. Okay, this one, make a line and then let's hit escape. Okay, and then this part. And we choose both this. Okay. Yeah, now as you can see here, this line, okay, this line actually is I select this one, it automatically select this line, right? So it's this is the what we call as revolve operation. Okay, you sketch a part, and then you want to make it in a circular shape. Okay, so we will use we call it as revolve. Okay, and then but you need to select a proper axis. Okay, proper axis. So for example, for this one, I construct lines, okay, from this point to this point. So the SolidWorks define my rotation is supposed to be like this because of I have this line, okay, collection line. So yeah, this is what I want, okay, to do. So just click OK, right? Right now I have this part, okay, this part, and then yeah, so you see this plane, you can set I mean hide it. Okay, right click and click hide. Okay, I know that this little bit we call it hard. Okay, but actually in order for you to complete your parts, okay, your parts, you will need this kind of technique. Okay, all right, now the other thing is maybe swap. Okay, swap both base. Okay, this one also uh you can say it's a hard technique. Okay, however, yeah, we can just use it. We can try to learn it. Okay, how to use it. Okay, I activate my plane back. Okay, I not hide it. Okay, so now I change to uh, perpendicular to this plane and then sketch. Okay, currently I use spline. Okay, it is from this. Let me keep from this part. No, it's okay. Plane, perpendicular, spline. Okay. So I make from here and here and here and here. Okay. Yeah, I have this spline. Okay, this spline. Okay, I want to make some sort like a pipe. Okay, a pipe here. Maybe as you can see here, this my in my sketch here actually supposed to be like a joystick, right? You have this kind of shape. You can use this technique. Okay, and then sketch. Okay, and then you just make the call it. Okay, maybe you can start new sketch. Okay, and then a sketch on top of this part, and then make a circle. Okay, maybe the diameter is here, 3. Right. Now I will use, make sure that you exit, okay? Otherwise, some of the operation here cannot be used. Okay, now I will use sweep, boss, and base. Okay. Okay, whenever you select this sweep, boss, base, you need to select 2 parts. Okay, the first is the figure, the shape, and then the second part is this root, the root. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, as you can see here, the first selection is this shape, the circular shape I made just now, and then this one is the root. How this shape will goes, okay? Where it supposed to, yeah, its shape, okay? So the shape is, I select this spline, okay? This root as the root. Okay, so this is how you make a part. Okay, if you have a part like this shape, and then you can use this sweep operation. Okay. All right. Now, yeah. Now let's make maybe this ball. Okay, this sphere. Okay, this sphere. Okay, in order to do that, okay. Okay, in SolidWorks, the modeling technique is a little bit, I can say it's not really easy to use, okay, because of other 3D software like the standard shape or maybe geometry. Okay, so solid geometry like spherical, maybe a cube or maybe a pyramid. Actually, it's already easily can be defined. Okay, some other software maybe just click that. Maybe you want to make a sphere and then just click sphere, and then you can just assign that how you want to define the dimension of that sphere. Okay, however, in SolidWorks we don't have that kind of features. Okay, we don't have that operation, so you need to sketch it. Okay, you need to sketch it one by one. Okay, so in order to make a sphere, okay, if you have like a ball or spherical shape, what you need to do is first of course we will sketch. Okay, I will sketch on top of the surface. Okay, just select space and then make it perpendicular to that surface. Okay, make it perpendicular again. Okay, no. Right, and then what you need to do is make this, okay, this arch, okay, hover your mouse around this circle, and then until you get the center, and then make it like this. Okay, and then make this half circle. Okay, just make a half circle. Okay, and then click a line, connect this. Okay, and then press it. Okay. Okay, and then now change to features tab. Now we will use revolve. Okay, revolve base, and then the things that you need to do is select this oh, okay, sorry, maybe just now I didn't click exit. Okay, exit, and then remove base. Okay, so this is how we make a cylinder. Okay, a spherical. Okay, spherical shape products. Okay, and then just hit OK. Now we finish the modeling for our joystick. Okay, yeah, this is some sort of like a joystick. Okay. Alright, so yeah, the time is almost over. I guess I already cover most of the modeling technique. Okay, both sketching and 3D model. Okay.